going so far?
Very dramatic.
And do you have a word?
Help me. It's food for my soul.
And Henny? Henny? You with the mask? How are things going for you? And honey? You're happy. Paula?
Well, I feel fresh.
Manuela?
Very happy.
And Connie?
Honey,
Yes.
how is it feeling for you?
It's wonderful to be on the water. It's just wonderful. I feel free. Terima kasih. No, you don't feel well yet. You've got to go to bed.
Yeah.
Bisa Bu?
But our so drama.
Now I'm
So-
sad because
sad.
of my skirt.
So, Carla, I mean, Paula, how do you feel that your poor skirt won't be done? She's so sad.
What does this remind you of, Paula?
What is this? What is it? What is this related to you?
Yeah, how does this relate to you? Does it happen more often?
When I like very much the things, it's very hard
To let
But
it go.
to let go, but I accept. I
You're
accept.
in the tailor. And Penny, have you found any fabric you like?
Yes, I did. I found two nice things, so I hope they made something nice for me. And then I found something for Karen, because I know she likes it.
And how about you, Carla? You find something you like?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, a little lucky, lucky.
Lucky, lucky. Looky, looky.
Yes.
Yeah. Show.
Oh, yes, one dream.
And this is the end of our soda. Hello.
Heel mooi. Wat maak je ervan? Klein
Dat zoekt ze dan maar uit thuis.